if I say the greenhouse effect, what comes to mind? What kind of words, if you put your hand up perhaps first so we can go around, what kind of words come to mind and you say, yeah, that is something? Is it all to do with growing tomatoes in my greenhouse? Or what else do you think of when we talk about greenhouse effect? Who's got an answer? First, Valentin.
Global warming.
Global warming is one of the phrases that comes to mind because those two are linked, aren't they? We talk about the two a lot together. Okay, anything else?
Deforestation.
Deforestation. Arthur, do you know why deforestation is linked?
Well, when you cut trees, they release CO2 they collected.
Certainly when you burn them, they do. Yeah, just chopping them doesn't yet release it, but burning them certainly does. And what's the other side of that? Once we chop them down, they stop doing something.
They stop releasing.
They stop taking in CO2 and releasing oxygen.
Very good.
So basically, the trees are the lungs of the earth.
So they are the lungs of the earth, as you say. Very good phrase. Do you have any idea at this stage what those greenhouse gases are doing? Why are they a problem? Can you think of something you could do, some experiment that we could carry out to prove global warming, to show global warming?
Maybe a glass with some ice cubes and put it under a lamp, and then the ice melted.
Like it. So glass with ice in it, potentially under a lamp, and we see that melts. Does that prove global warming itself? Does it prove that the heat is not able to get out, or is that lamp simply melting the ice cube because that is hot? What would we need for our experiments? Annabelle, let's tell us.
Glass box.
So some kind of glass container. Emil, what next?
Ice cubes.
Ice cubes, maybe. Yep, I'll put them down for now. Yep. Arthur?
Thermometer.
Thermometer. How many thermometers are we going to need?
2.
Thermometers times 2. Yep. And a lamp, some kind of heat source. Yep. So I'll put a lamp for now, basically something that is going to warm it up. What would the ice cubes add to that?
They will represent the water in the ice cubes.
Maybe they would represent what would then happen with global warming, not necessarily proving global warming itself. So let's just have a chat about, boys, are you with us? A chat about the experiment itself. We've got lots of different versions of an experiment that we've got planned. Maybe one of you could just explain the experiment you have in mind, and then we can look and see whether that's going to be our best option for today. Do we need the ice? What's the ice telling us? What is that bringing to us?
How warm it is inside.
So it's a visual that's helping us to sort of visually see the change in temperature. Do we need the ice? Annabelle?
No, I think it just shows that the ice caps are melting. And what we do.
Yeah, it effectively shows us cryosphere, it shows us the ice caps and glaciers that are melting. It doesn't add anything new scientific to our experiment. What are those greenhouse gases? We mentioned one already. Which one did we mention? The name of the greenhouse gases, Annabelle?
Carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide. That is one of the greenhouse gases. Anybody know another one? I did just mention one earlier. All right, do you want 2 seconds to go and find out? You can use your phones, you can use whatever it takes to go and find out. Methane. You didn't even hear it. Yep, methane, that's definitely one.
So after 20 minutes, this one has stayed the same since the light has been turned on, but this one has been getting more every time.
So first thing I'd like to do is note the difference between these two phrases. Describe your results and explain your results. Describe is literally what? Describe is a simpler thing to do, isn't it, than an explanation. Annabelle, could you just describe your results? So then we'd now like to explain the results.